In this video, we will show you how to make a simple Gantt chart. They're perfect for displaying schedules and processes. Firstly, go to the Automated Excel add-in and select the Gantt chart template. Then select the cell where you would like to generate the template. Now specify the number of tasks to include. Finally, update the template for the labels and data you require. The charts can either be populated directly or, as shown in this video, linked to existing data. Please note that the date axes can be finalised manually for a shorter date range. In order to produce a shorter date range, first find the minimum date. Secondly, find the maximum date. Convert these into number format. Update the axes manually to reflect this date range. If you don't already have the Automated Excel Professional version add-in, this is available on our website at automatedexcel.com or via the link in the description below. With the use of the Automated Excel Professional version add-in, you can make your charts more efficient, consistent and effective. For more templates and tips, please subscribe, check out our other videos or go to our website automatedexcel.com.